Quran verse 117 chapter 2. Al-Baqarah. English and Urdu. Translation. By Shabbir Ahmed, M.D. Florida.
Chapter 2 verse 117. The originator of the heavens and earth. When he wills a thing to be, he but says to it, be, and it is. Call. Equals saying. Equals thought. Badi. Equals initiator. Equals originator. Equals one who creates from nothing. Equals the impeccable creator.